What's up, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with some crypto analysis for you guys. And so right now, I'm about to do Bitcoin. And before I start off with that, I want to ask if anybody needs any prayer, if anybody needs any word of encouragement. Feel free to DM me on Twitter, reach out to me because the world is in a dark place right now. So if you feel like you're depressed or anything, or lonely, or going through tough times, just hit me up and let me know, and I'll pray for you and I'll talk with you. But without further ado, let's jump right into this video. And if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe if you like what you see, and let's get right into it. All right, so here is Bitcoin USD. So I said this a long time ago, back in June, July, up at this point. I said once this candle formed, that Bitcoin will start to see its fall. And right now, Bitcoin has been on a tremendous fall. Let's talk about falling from grace. You're almost at 14,000 and you're about to hit like 7,000, 6,000 at this point. So I had said that Bitcoin could possibly reach back to 5,000, 4,000 level. And right now it's looking to be true. Let's take a further look into what I'm looking at right now. So right now we have a bearish TK cross on the weekly time frame. This is a strong signal, you guys, when it comes to Ichimoku, especially off the higher time frames. So we have this bearish TK cross, and with that TK cross, I'm expecting price to push even lower. But this is what I want to do because this could change this week. I'm going to wait for the weekly candle to close. So we have until Saturday before we find out how this is going to close. If it's going to be a cross, or will there be a slight change in movement with the moving averages right here. So what I see, if we do keep this cross and say price closes a little bit lower, we have a strong side moving, rejecting the top side. So we know here we'll have some resistance at this level. So since we have this rejection, what could happen is price could range within this box for the next couple weeks. All right. Let's say this does cross and we do get stronger momentum to the downside. If we do break this fractal level, this will push us to lower prices. The next price will be between 65,000. So yes, let's move this down a little bit. So 6,600 and 7,471. So this will be the next target areas that I will be looking at for price. But let's look at the daily time frame, see what's going over on the daily. All right. Momentum is trying to push back up to the upside. We do have Chiku span trying to enter price, so we will be ranging within this box for a while, like I said. So we will probably might get a range, and we might get that fall by Saturday. We'll see what happens with that weekly close. All right. Let's see if we move on further to the down lower time frames. You can see that on the 4-hour and the hour time frames, we have been in a downward channel. So we might get this break in the channel. What else I also see is momentum is trying to push down even lower on the 4-hour time frame. Price right now is currently sitting at 7,900. Let's see here. If we go even further in, you could see that price is respecting Tinkinson. It has rejected this level twice so far. And what I'd like to see is how this 4-hour candle closed. There's an hour and 11 minutes before this candle closes. It looks like price may want to drop even further. The only thing that's looking good for Bitcoin right now is how Tinkinson and Kijinson are far apart, which is this blue line and the red line. This is your momentum line. This is your moving average that shows direction of the market. Well, since they're far apart, price may want to act as a magnet and come back into equilibrium. So if we go to a lower time frame and see what we have, let's see what's going on the 45-minute time frame. We see that price is trying to get back to the upside on the lower time frame. If we could break above the 50 on the 45-minute charts, we might have some upward momentum and possibly could break out of that channel to the upside. But that's only if we don't respect the Tinkinson on the 4-hour time frame, which is right here. All right. So I'm expecting prices to move lower in the long term. It's hard to say right now, but I'm still bearish on Bitcoin and as a asset in general. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Comment and subscribe your thoughts and let me know what you think in the future. All right. God bless you guys and peace.